Hi guys, my name is Jeff Puckett. I'm doing the introduction video with my three assets. I think that the three main assets I can and do bring to the table. One would be punctuality. I'm usually on top of my assignments as best I possibly can be. I've had the occasional hiccup where an assignment might be running late, but very seldom happens. Another thing I bring to the table, I've been an honor student now for 6 years, and I've worked very hard to keep that, to maintain that. And so I don't plan on letting it go anytime soon. And the third thing I tend to bring to the table at times is leadership. So in my groups or in my classes or whatnot, I tend to step up to the leadership role to help provide some direction and where we should go with projects and assignments and whatnot. It's not necessary, but it tends to happen or work out that way for the most part. Anyway, I look forward to meeting you guys, and yeah, hope it's a great quarter.